Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the talkSPORT app. So let's get started. So at here you have to open the Google Play Store. If you don't have, you can open your Google browser also. And if you're an Apple user, then you have to open your Apple Store. So at here I will just open my Google Store. Then here I will just search for the talkSPORT app. Okay. So here I can see it. So to install it, just click on here, and then you have to open into this app. Okay, then click on here, and to install, just click on the install button, and it will automatically download and install in your phone. If you want to see about app, you can just click on here and you can see it, and on the reviews you can just read it. And if you want to read, you can go to your like app and safety ones also from here. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.